Hudayli states, I and Sinan bin Salama went to perform Umrah, whereas Sinan took a sacrificial camel along with him. The camel got jaded and came to a halt. Sinan got bewildered at the thought what he would do if it stopped being exhaust. He thought to ask it precept on reaching the city. When they reached Batha at noon, he went to Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu and talked to him and then narrated to him the episode of the animal. Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, You have asked the question from such a man as knows its precept. Once Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched 16 sacrificial camels along with a man, appointing him in charge of them. That man went away and then came back and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what should I do if one of these camels gets jaded? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Slaughter that camel. Dip the 2 sandals tied around its neck in its blood, then strike its hump with those sandals. But neither you nor any of your companions should eat its flesh. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3203.